Hey guys, my name's Nicola and it's so nice to meet you. This is our tiny house tour video. Me and my boyfriend Michael built it ourselves. It's on a 28-foot long trailer. It's about 300 square feet with our loft. And yeah, we built it all with our own two hands and we are absolutely in love with it. So I hope that you guys like it. Worked hard on editing it for you guys, so I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Alright, let's just jump right into it. As you walk in the house, if you go this way, here's our closet. We have a lot more clothes than people think you do in a tiny house. We have all these. Michael has a bunch of clothes, and then mine are in these boxes over here. We keep our shoes down there. Okay, so then once we come over here into the second half, or the living room, we have our couch right here, which turns into a futon, so 2 people can sleep on that. I mean, really 2 people, really 1 person, but someone can sleep there. And then we have these bookshelves that we got from IKEA that are just life-saving for us. Like, they just have so much like storage space on them. We use them for all of our books, obviously, but we love these bookshelves. And by the way, they are 1, 2, and then the third one, which we attached on top up there. So it's 3 different bookshelves from IKEA. And then just wanted to show you guys too, underneath the couch, you can't really tell because there's a bunch of stuff under there, but basically we use that for storage. So our backpacks are down there. But yeah, there's just a ton of storage space underneath there, which we have a lot of stuff. And then also behind the couch, we keep extra blankets. My yoga mat is on the other side over there. So that's another space for storage for us. And then we have over here our cute little fireplace that is just so crazy that we live in a tiny house that has a fireplace. It's a silicone gel fireplace, so as you can see, there are these little cans back there and you shake them up and that's what lights on fire. This is just like a fake log. And then it doesn't produce any smoke or anything like that, so no need for ventilation. I have our cute little mantle up here that I just like to put little things on. Here's our bin right here, which we love. Really? And then up here we have our TV, which is like the coolest thing ever. Let me show you guys something. So the TV like comes out like that and it goes all the way. So then when I'm across the house in the kitchen and like cooking and things, I could be watching TV up there, or we can also watch TV from the loft, which is super cool. That's what I really wanted it for. So I love that it swivels out like that. And then on this wall right here, we just have our little board, which I love. And then right down here is that one full-length mirror that, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I talk about the house a lot more on there. And I made a whole post about mirrors. We don't have one in the bathroom anymore, so this is our one full-length mirror right here. And then I'm going to go back this way and show you guys the nook. This is one of the main things that's not done in the house. These windows are one of my favorite things in the whole entire house. They pop open, but this is just my little reading nook that we're gonna turn into. Right now it just has a lot of my artwork in it, but it's gonna be my little art space, and eventually we're gonna put a little shelf up here on top, and that's where all of my paintings are gonna go. And then I want to hang something like from right up here that will just hang down, and those will hold all my brushes. That was my sister's idea and I really love that. And then we have this huge window right above our desk, so here's Michael's like fancy computer video game desk with this obnoxious looking chair. Hi babes. Do you have anything to say?
The obnoxious looking chair. That chair is perfectly comfortable and you are very happy that we have it here.
So that's the chair. There's my little chair, which is great. This is our dehumidifier that we have down here that's always on. This is my desk. My desk also folds down, but most of the time we just keep it up. Then you come right over here and we are in the kitchen now. So we got a little clock up there. I love the kitchen. This is from IKEA. It's just like a kitchenette. We were gonna originally do cabinets, but we didn't have time, and we really like this now, so we're sticking with it. And then we have our stove over here. And if you keep going, this is a barnyard door that we made, and it goes straight into the bathroom. So we have our sink right here, our composting toilet, and then on the other side, our shower. And if you keep turning around over here, this is like our whole pantry area, and it's just like filled with stuff. I love this part of the house. It's one of my favorites. This is normally filled with a bunch of fruit and vegetables, but we need to go grocery shopping. And then right up here is a bunch of snacks and like Michael's bagels, English muffins, stuff like that. And this is more like a junk like utility basket up there. And then here's our fridge. After the fridge, we go right back to the door. Up here, we are completely in love with it. Obviously it has our bed, we have 2 little nightstands, these cool little lights that we have, we also have a fan that you guys saw, and we have some like little twinkly lights up here that we have. It's just super cozy up here. When it rains, like you can hear it on the metal roof and it sounds super nice, but we love it up here. It's really cozy, and yeah, this is our loft. Alright guys, so that's everything. That's the whole entire tour. I took you through the whole house. I really hope you guys liked it. We love living tiny. We love our house, and we just love everything about this lifestyle. And again, if you want to see how we built this whole tiny house, I have a whole playlist about our whole building process. So alright, thanks guys so much, and I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!